Hello everyone out there, it's Christina from the Glaser Tutoring Company, and today we're going to identify the degree of this polynomial. So the polynomial in question is 14m cubed plus m squared minus 16m plus 8. And we just have to find the degree. Now, usually when we talk about degrees like first degree, second degree, third degree, and fourth degree, right? Of specific polynomials. Now I know that this is a polynomial because it has more than two terms. Poly, good prefix to remember, poly means many. And in this case, you just have to have more than two. So in this case, I have four different terms here because I have an m cubed, that's one term. I have an m, what kind of m was that? I have an m squared. That's another term, right? M cubed and m squared, they are not the same thing. I just have an m value, and I have a term that has no variable in it. It's just an 8. So I got four terms here. That's a polynomial. So we're going to take this polynomial, and we just have to find the degree of it. And easy peasy stuff, right? Degrees of polynomials always come from the leading coefficient. So that's the most important part here. Now you might be saying, well, Christina, what is a leading coefficient? Well, I got your back, right? Because a leading coefficient, right? If you're the leader, you're the highest in the pack, right? So if, variables are leading, they're the highest numbers in the pack, where your variable has the highest value, and more specifically, it's going to be the highest exponent. So look out for those variables, right? Where you might have an x squared, or an x to the 4th, or an x to the 6th. The highest exponent is the leader, and that's what tells what degree the polynomial is, right? So, and in this case, maybe I'll just circle this, that the 6 would be the leader, right? But in here, we just have to identify what exponents we got on our variables. Well, we have an m cubed. So 3 right there. We have an m squared. Okay, and then we just have an m value. Notice how I don't care about the numbers. Nobody cares about the numbers for the degrees, only for those variables. The letters, not the numbers. So all we got to do is just find the leader. What's the highest one? Oh, the highest one is a 3. And the leader always tells you what the degree is. So maybe I'll just put it down here. This is the leader of the pack. He's the leader of the pack. I have no idea where that came from. I think it's a movie, maybe. We love quoting stuff on this channel. If you know what that is from, let me know. But some random memory in my mind that just came out. But in this case, the degree would be third degree. So we could say 3, third, does not matter. And that's it. Whoop. Let's highlight it. We love a good highlight. And we're done. Oh, yeah. All right. Thank you so much for coming to the channel and for, viewing this information. I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to make sure that I'm helping you out in the easiest way possible. Thank you so much for coming, here, checking us out. And keep studying hard. I know you guys are doing great out there. Let's keep rocking our tests and quizzes. Keep studying hard. I know you can do it. All right? And as always, have a great, great, great day. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.